So this is the solution to the ordinary level physics paper 2019 question 11. So the first part of it is name the part of the eye where an image is formed. Okay, so the image is formed on the retina. That's the very back of the eyeball, okay? That's part A. Let me just keep them labeled. B. What is the function of the pupil? So the pupil is the opening to allow and control how much light enters the eye. The eye can focus light from both nearby and distant objects. Describe how the eye changes to allow this to happen. The eye can focus light from both nearby and distant objects. Describe how the eye changes to allow this to happen. Okay, so the ciliary muscles can change the shape of the lens, which changes its focal length and power. Okay, so the muscles change the shape of the lens, which then change its focal length and its power, because the power is related to the focal length. Name the two most common eye defects. Okay, so we have, it's actually in the piece of text, short-sightedness, which is myopia, and long-sightedness, which is, what's it called again? Hyperopia. Yeah, okay, cool. What type of lens corrects short-sightedness? Okay, so if it's short-sighted, that means it's coming together too quickly, right? So, look, I'm going to draw a quick sketch here. This is not needed in the diagram, but if this is the eyeball here, and there's the lens, the rays come together before the retina. This is your retina back here, and short-sightedness comes together before it, right? Long-sightedness comes back together afterward. So what we want to do is counteract that, okay? So what we do is you put a diverging lens like this in front of the eyeball. There's your lens. I drew it badly the first time. And then the rays get spread out a bit by the diverging lens and then get focused properly backwards like that onto the retina. So the answer is use a diverging lens. This is to cure short-sightedness. Draw a sketch of this lens. Yeah, so it's this one, diverging lens. Okay, that's a diverging lens. It's a very chunky one, but that's a diverging lens. Do you know what? I'm going to pause it now and record a separate video for the next bit.